Buy direct from China. Sourcing products from Chinese manufacturers for the rest of the world. We plan contracts and negotiate prices with reliable suppliers or manufacturers on behalf of our clients with no hidden charges. You'll get free consultation until you decide on the supplier. Insane products with big profit. What you can sell in 2024. Vertical wind turbine. Under the conditions of energy crisis and economic environment, the demand for home wind power generation equipment will be increasing, because wind power can meet daily household use. The search volume of home wind power generation on Google is very large, showing that this product has always attracted much attention. It is a high-demand product. On retail platforms such as Amazon and eBay, there are not many sellers selling this product. The retail price can reach $400 to $600. The purchase price in China is $100 to $200, which has a high profit. The competition is small and the profit is high, which is very suitable for you to sell this product in 2024.